Okay, I'm going to go through a question now which uses the law of conservation of momentum to find the mass of an object. So we've got our scenario here. We have an object A which is moving at 20 meters per second, and A has a mass of 500 kilograms. And this is heading towards object B, which is stationary, so this is moving at 0 meters per second. And object B has an unknown mass. So what's going to happen is these two objects are going to collide. So after the scenario, it's found that object A and B are then going to move together and continue in the same direction at a speed of 7 meters per second. So we can then assume that their mass is going to be 500 plus m combined, as they're going to be moving together as one object. So from this scenario and the information given, we can calculate what the mass of B is by using the law of the conservation of momentum. So momentum can be written as rho, and this equals mass times velocity. So we can use the fact that the initial mass times the initial velocity is going to equal the final mass times the final velocity to solve for B. So initially we've got a mass of 500 kilograms going at a speed of 20. Add on a mass of m travelling at a speed of 0 meters per second. So this is initially what the momentum is going to be. The sort of like after scenario, the final momentum, we can view the objects as having one combined mass. So we've got 500 plus m. And these are going to be travelling at a speed of 7 meters per second. So looking at this equation, we can straight out cross off this section because m times 0 is nothing. So what we're left with is 500 times 20, which is 10,000, equals 500 plus m times 7. And from this we can now rearrange to solve from m. So we've got, if I move this up, 10,000 equals 3,500 plus 7m. So again, I'm going to rearrange this further. 10,000 minus 3,500 divided by 7 equals m. And if we put this into a calculator, you'll find that that is 928.57 kilograms, which, if we want to write to two significant figures, is 930 kilograms. So through our principle of conservation of momentum, we have been able to solve the weight, not weight, of object B.